My name is Declan Murphy and I work at Fox's Biscuits as a projects engineer. I also look after apprentices, and my roles include new installations of new biscuit lines and maintenance of existing biscuit lines. Here at Batley, we believe that taking on apprentices is the found heart of Fox's Biscuits in Batley. At Fox's Biscuits, we send our apprentices to Kirklees College purely because they're a very, very outstanding college. They look after our apprentices and make sure the targets are done on time. If there's any concerns, they contact us straight away. And as well as that, they're really easy to liaise with. They really want the best out of young people. And they do show us a great lot of gratitude, for sending our apprentices there.